Good medical morning. Keratocanthoma is a skin lesion that erupts in sun-damaged skin, rather like a little volcano. It grows for a few months, then may shrink and resolve by itself. Keratocanthoma is considered to be a variant of the keratinocytic or non-melanoma skin cancer, squamous cell carcinoma. As it cannot be clinically reliably distinguished from more serious forms of skin cancer, keratocanthomas are usually treated surgically. Keratocanthoma may start at the site of a minor injury to sun-damaged and hair-bearing skin. At first, it may appear as a small pimple or boil and may be squeezed, but is found to have a solid core filled with keratin. It then grows rapidly, and it may be up to 2 centimeters in diameter by the time it is brought to the attention of the doctor. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.